Tabby, you're starting to crawl like a little seal. Come on. Come on, show us how you crawl. You just started doing this the last couple of days. It's March 19th, and you're about 7.5 months old. Crawl to Mom. Hi, sweetheart. You got some crawling that you want to show us? Whoa, Tabby. Good boy. He's so strong. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Come on, you're getting closer.